29th August 2021. Southwest monsoon has been active over Telangana. Heavy rainfall has occurred at isolated places in the districts of Kumrambhim, Asifabad, Bhadradri, Kottagudem and Khammam districts of Telangana. Rainfall occurred at most places over Telangana. Highest rainfall recorded is Sirpur 11 cm, Yellandu 7 cm, Chintakam 7 centimeters. Rest of the places have received light to moderate rains over many places. Light rain has been received in many places, moderate rain over few places and heavy rain has been received at one or two places. During past 24 hours, the maximum and minimum temperatures recorded are Hyderabad recorded 29.6 degrees Celsius maximum temperature and minimum temperature of 22.3 degrees Celsius. The highest maximum temperature recorded is over Adilabad 32.8 degrees Celsius and lowest minimum temperature recorded is 19.2 degrees Celsius over Dindigul. The rainfall statistics starting from the season 1st June 2021 to 29th August 2021 gives 24% departure from normal. Actual rainfall recorded is 711 millimeters of rainfall against the normal of 574 millimeters. If you see the forecast during next 2 to 3 days, mainly the synoptic features are the low pressure system over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining west central bay of Odisha and north coastal Andhra Pradesh persists and associated cyclonic circulation extends up to 4.5 kilometers above mean sea level, tilting southwestwards with height. The east-west wind shear zone lay over 15 degrees north latitude, persists and lies between 5.6 kilometers to 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level. Forecast during next 3 days, light to moderate rains are very likely to occur at most places. Orange alerts have been issued for next 2 days. Heavy to very heavy, very likely to occur on 29th and 30th. Very heavy, heavy to very heavy, very likely to occur in the districts of isolated places of Mancherial, Nizamabad, Nirmal, Rajanna Sirsilla, Jagityal, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Suryapet, Warangal Urban, Janagaon, Siddipet, Kamareddy and Nagar Karnool districts. Heavy rain likely to occur in Adilabad, Kumarambim, Asifabad, Nirmal, Khammam, Nalgonda, Mahbubabad, Warangal Rural, Yadadri Bhuvangiri districts. Thunderstorm accompanied lightning is very likely to occur at isolated places at few districts of Telangana. On 30th, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to occur in Adilabad, Kumarambhim, Asifabad, Mancherial, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Jagityal, Rajanna Sirsilla, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Khammam, Mahbubabad and Warangal Rural, Urban, Janagaon, Siddipet districts and heavy rainfall likely to occur in Nizamabad, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Sangareddy, Medak, Kamareddy districts. Thunderstorm is very likely to occur at one or two places in few districts of Telangana. Hyderabad city and its surrounding during next 24 to 48 hours, generally cloudy sky conditions are likely to prevail and light to moderate rains or thunder showers very likely to occur in many parts of the city during evening or late night. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be in the range of 30 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. Surface winds are likely to be 10 to 15 kilometers per hour and direction westerly or northwesterly winds are likely to blow over the city.